Homemade teriyaki salmon. Here are the ingredients: salmon, spring onions, ginger, pepper, salt, potato flour, olive oil, and teriyaki sauce. Sprinkle the salmon with salt and pepper before putting them into the pan. Or you can marinate the salmon with lemon, garlic, and ginger overnight to get more flavor. Using the pastry or basting brush, dip it to the potato flour, or guys, you can use cornstarch. Apply it and spread it to the fish. This potato flour will retain the juiciness of the fish and make the fish crispy. Put an oil to the preheated pan and place the salmon. Cook it for 3 minutes each side. Guys, it's done and it's perfectly cooked. I'm gonna set aside this first. In the same pan, pour the teriyaki sauce. And add the ginger juice. Squeeze the grind ginger so that the remaining juice will come out. Cook it for 1 minute. Place the salmon to the teriyaki sauce. For garnishing, sprinkle the chopped spring onions. This is my own version of teriyaki salmon. Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!